Okay, so it's Sunday, June 30th, and we're just now leaving our homestead here, and we're not real sure where we're going, but we decided that we wanted to ride, maybe do a little hiking, maybe find some water, see some nature. So anyway, we'll find something to do and hopefully get some good footage of it. Get that up for you this week. Stay tuned. Pretty fast.
All the way up to your laces.
I don't have any. What are you guys saying? It's pretty creek, isn't it? It's pretty enough creek, Clark? Yeah. It is? Oh, that ain't bad. Something here's about Roaring River.
Roaring River? Oh yeah, we should.
We're just out past a little city or township or whatever you want to call it of Garrison, and like I said, there's a lot of little back roads. Matter of fact, this road that we just took, it actually just came to like a dead end at a fence. So there's two houses back in here, and then there's this really pretty low rotted bridge and creek that probably doesn't see a whole lot of traffic. So we've spent the last half an hour just kind of hanging out here and checking the creek out. And we're getting ready to get back on the road, get back over to the National Forest, and then see what we can find down in the bottoms there. So we'll try to get you some good footage down there. And if nothing else, look, this is the perfect, if you live in Missouri, this is like the perfect little half day or day trip. Just kind of come down here and cruise around, hit some creeks, hit some mud holes, and see a few trails. So stay tuned. I didn't know it was going to keep going aside. I just figured it would do it just briefly while I did that, but I guess it stays locked on that.
It was going really fast. I was like, we're just flew into the tree.
Yeah.
I couldn't even see it.
I didn't see the drone. When you come into Garrison down here, about the only real landmark is this Garrison General Store, and it's right at the junction here off the highway. And just before you get to that junction, there's a small road that goes out and down and across this little low water bridge or creek. And I think the name is Stevens Road. So it's basically directly across from the general store. And if you take that Stevens Road and you just stay on it, you come right into the National Forest. And then there's a forestry road there and all their little trails and roads that branch off of that.
This is the church you're talking about?
No, this is the Union Church. Up there is the Baptist Church.
That's kind of cool. You made a big video.
So yeah, there's kind of a cool little Union Church here. It looks really old. We're going to get a quick video of it. 1946. We've just made it into the part of the forest here that's made for riding, and they started posting signs out here and stuff. I don't think they want you to go off and kind of create your own trail. I think they want you to stay to the designated driving areas, obviously. This obviously isn't a very popular place, because when we just came in, there's a couple of trees down across the road. We were able to just drive under them. I do have my small saw here in the Jeep, but if we can get under it, most people can. So we'll see if we can get off on some of these designated roads and trails here and see what it has to offer out here. So what better way to hit 100 subscribers than to be on our way to do a video and run into a Jeeper at a gas station and put a business card on its vehicle, and we've been in communication back and forth kind of on our way to our location. So it's official, Off-Road Recon is at 100 subscribers. Thank you all. Claire, you want to say something about 100 subscribers? Connor?
There's 2 zeros.
There's 2 zeros and 100. A cool place to camp right here. That's a big giant mud hole back there. I think I'm gonna set a marker here and we'll camp here. So thank you for tuning in on our special 100 subscribers episode. This has been a short video, but we wanted to put something out and just saying thank you to all the subscribers that we have thus far. And something that we want to do to show our appreciation to each one of you is if you send us a comment on YouTube on this video,
continue straight.
We will send you a collector's edition exclusive sticker, Off-Road Recon sticker, that shows 1 through 100 for the subscribers. Comment below on this video and we'll reach out to you on Facebook to get your address to mail you your free sticker. It's been a pleasure making this video for you. Until next time, what should I say? We need some kind of a slogan.
Yeah, catchphrase.
Make sure you tune in to our next episode of Off-Road Recon, where we'll be going to South Dakota in the Black Hills, and we should get some excellent stuff out there, some excellent footage, and we'll also be doing some hiking and some other things, maybe at Mount Rushmore, museum footage and things like that. If there's anything that you would like to see in the Black Hills, please post it in the comments below, and or post it on our Facebook page. Give us some ideas of something you might like to see while we're out there, and we'll see if we can get some video of it.